Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. Yesterday I posted a video on 1 minute trading strategy, forex trading strategy, and I got a lot of messages from so many of my subscribers. They were really excited about the information I dished out yesterday in my last video on that. And of course, even though there are a few questions on it, just to clarify one or two things and how to go about it. So I promised to do something more on that, and of course to see how we can even have more assurance in the market. Okay, for us to have more assurance in the market, just like I said, I'm not really a fan of 1 minute trading strategy, but in order for you guys to have more confidence within the market, most of the time we prefer to go for 1 minute to have a good knowledge of the market, and that is why we are seeking for that information. So I will be giving us more assurance on it and by using 2 minute trading strategy. Okay, but first I will have to say something about 1 minute trading strategy before moving down to 2 minute trading strategy, so that we can know how to go about it. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time and you missed out on the last video, this is the video you should watch. Okay, this is the video you should watch. That will give you a good insight on what we did yesterday before whatever we will be doing today. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, and if you are joining us for the first time on this channel and you are just getting to know about this channel, all you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel. This is Qora Digital Cash, and it is a forex trading channel. That is, I use it to teach you different strategies on how to make some good money within the forex market. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every strategy shared there, and do your own personal make sure you do your own personal practice on your demo account first before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so quickly, let's do that right away. So like I said, in case you are joining us for the first time or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? I told you that we started this yesterday, and of course I discussed on the 1 minute trading strategy, and then I said there are some things you need to put in place. All these things works for every condition. Okay, all you just need to do is just to master the art of knowing the right trend to trade. Okay, once you understand that, you will always find yourself in profits. Okay, and of course you understand your support and resistance very well. You always know your exit and your entry points. That is your E-square. Okay, and of course your lot size will always give you the opportunity to make a lot of profits, and also to control your to be in full control of the market. Okay, even when the market is against you. Okay, so that is very, very important. But this time around we will be looking at the 2 minute strategy. Okay, but before we go fully into it, let's check out what is happening with the 1 minute strategy. Okay, this is boom 1000. Like I said, the trend is always important. When you are in the wrong trend, you'd stay away from the market. Okay, if you want to sell boom, I don't expect you to sell it within this trend. Okay, it is totally wrong. Okay, I don't expect you to sell it within this trend. Okay, the only way you can come in and it will affect you is when you add this sell signal and you add this sell trend popping up. Okay, actually it's wanted to go into a sell trend, but it was unable to break out below this support zone, and the reason is it was coming from a very strong uptrend at this point. It was coming from a very strong uptrend, so it was unable to go fully into it. That was why it led into this spike. And if you should notice, there was a spike around there also, so which is around the support zone. So if I were you, if I had come in when we saw this arrow and the red trend, I would be out of the market before it gets to this support zone. And if I should notice that it is too close to that support zone, I won't even go into it. I will rather wait for it to break out below the support zone than to risk some money going into it, because this had just got into the resistance zone, and you can see it has been playing within the resistance zone, trying to see if it will break out above the resistance zone or break out below the support zone. So I can wait for it to break out from this support zone first before I come into this, I go into the market. Okay, most especially if my capital is not strong enough, I can wait for this breakout to happen. Once it happens, okay, right here you can see right here we got another sell signal around here. It is possible for me to come in around here again, but there is a support zone around here, so I'd rather wait for this breakout to happen, or probably I go into the market and exit the market somewhere here. Okay, I will exit the market somewhere. This will only give me like 2 candles right from there, and of course I will stay out of the market and wait for the breakout to happen. And once it happens, then I can now come in again, because it has given me an assurance that it is in the right trend, so I can now trade for as long as possible, or for as long as I want. Okay, so that is what I just want to quickly add to it whenever you are using the 1 minute trading strategy. Now let's see how you can do the same thing on 2 minute trading strategy, because that will give you more assurance within the market. And of course, okay, quite a number of you don't know that you can always switch your chart down to, or up to 2 minute strategy, because you don't find it right here. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to right click on it. You can choose whatever time frame you want to use. Okay, you can see we have 1 minute right here, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. All you just need to do is just to come to the minutes, and you're going to see so many minutes right here. Okay, so I'm going to switch it over to 2 minute strategy. Okay, and this is what 2 minutes will do for you. Okay, once you pick up a candle, it means that you have been there for like 2 minutes. Okay, you have picked up 2 1 minute candles, so it makes it very easy for you. Okay, so now let's see this. Okay, on 2 minutes time frame, if you should notice, okay, let me take it back to 1 minute again, then come back to 2 minutes. Right here on 1 minute time frame, you can see we got a sell signal right here and a trend right here before having this popping out. But if you should go to 2 minute time frame, you will notice that it is only one we are going to see, because this does not really function at that particular point, because they notice that there will be a support zone on 2 minute time frame. It was noticed that there will be a support. It will get to a support. It is very close to a support zone, and there might be a spike at that particular point. So this arrow and the trend did not show on 2 minute time frame. So now let's go to 2 minute time frame. You're going to see it right away. Okay guys, this is 2 minute time frame. You can see we didn't get a sell arrow around here. You can see, and the trend was not there. Okay, so you won't even be bothered with that if you are on 2 minute time frame. So the only thing you are just going to focus on is this particular one if you're on 2 minute time frame, and all you just need to do is just to come in around here. Okay, or probably you wait for this support zone to be broken, because there is a support zone right here. Then you come in around there. So once you come in around here, you can be in the market after the support zone has been broken. You can be in the market till the next support zone. Here is the next support zone around here, so you can take your profit right from here. And if it breaks out below this, then of course you should know that your next take profit should be somewhere here just before this next support zone. Okay, you can take your next profit around there. And if you should do your calculation very well, your profit between year to year is going to give you a lot of profit, because once it gets to this region, I won't expect you to go into the market again, because it is already very close to another support zone, which is going to be a major support zone, which can lead to a total reversal in price action. So let's try to see the number of candles picked at this point. Okay, this is about how many candles? 20 candles. Okay, about 20 candles. So if it is about 20 candles, that means you would have been in the market for 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes. 40 minutes is a lot of profit for you guys. 40 minutes is a lot of profit for you guys. If you are earning $1 per minute, that is $40. If you are earning $5 per minute, that is $200, guys. That is $200. So that's a lot of money for you guys, and you can do this over and over again. So you can see the way I made it simple using the 2 minutes time frame. The arrow that was causing confusion for us on 1 minute time frame is no longer there on 2 minutes time frame, and we just came in at the right time and we use it to milk the market successfully for a very long time. So this is a simple way to go about it. All you just need to do is just the constant practice. When you practice very well, you will be able to milk the market successfully. Let me quickly tell you this. Okay, there is no indicator that is 100% perfect. Just the way we have strategies that is not 100% perfect. Okay, even when you are analyzing without indicator, just drawing the trend line and the likes, okay, does not mean that you are having an 100% perfection at that point. There are some situations whereby you draw a trend line that it will get to a certain stage before it will have a pullback, and it won't even get there at all, and sometimes it will even break out from those support or resistance zones. So these are forces within the market. So no strategies, no indicator is 100% perfect, but when you have a very good indicator like this, they can give you an assurance within the market. Okay, about 80% assurance in the market, then definitely you are good to go. All you just need to do is just to work your way around it and make sure you have the market under your control. And how can you have the market under your control? By putting all these three things in place. Okay, most especially your lot size. Okay, your lot size will help you to hold on to the control of the market. Okay, you'll be in full control of the market if you use a reasonable lot size for yourself. Okay, and of course always trading within the trend, within the right trend, will give you a lot of profit at the end of the day. Then your support and resistance zone will always let you know your entry point and your exit point. It is as easy as that. So guys, I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. I will always be there to reply, except if you want to ask a personal question, probably you want to know more about the trading tool, then definitely you can send message to me on WhatsApp. I will always be there also to reply you. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so guys, all you just need to do is just to practice more with the trading tool, and you will make a lot of profit with it. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, remember to drop your question in the comment section, and do not forget to give me thumbs up, and of course subscribe to this channel. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you. Okay.